Hi guys, welcome to another video. On today's video with Handyman Dan, we are replacing a rusty downpipe bracket. Alrighty, so the tools you'll need are a chisel or some form of little bar, a hammer, some external grade screws and a drill. Phillips head screwdriver would also work for these, that's because they're Phillips head drive screws. And then of course you need your downpipe bracket that you're replacing. So first things first, you just get your ladder set up. For this one we need a ladder, but obviously if it was at ground level then you'd just be able to do it from the ground. So yep, set your ladder up appropriately, make sure it's at the correct angle to work safely. And then when you're ready, time to head up the ladder and get this downpipe bracket replaced. So first things first is just grabbing the drill and pulling out the old fixings. So these are just the Phillips head on this one, but they could be different depending on what yours is fixed with. Yep, so just pull them out. This side we've got a bit of a conduit that's in the way, but it's okay, we can just pull it to the side, squish it in a bit. Yep, same thing. Pull the screw out, the fixing out for the other side. Sometimes when they're rusty, sometimes they do snap off in the hole, but I got lucky with these ones. They're just fixed into a kind of a green wall plug into the masonry. And so now, here's where you need your chisel or some form of flat blade screwdriver, just anything, and you just tap it with your hammer just to break the paint seal off the side of the building. As you can see, they are pretty stuck on there. Yep, so you just pull that off. You can just drop it onto the ground, clean it up later, and do the same thing on the other side. The conduit definitely doesn't make it easy on this one, but it's fine. Just move it out of the way. Drop that piece on the ground as well. As you could see, that one was completely rusted, it wasn't even attached in the middle. Alright, so now you can grab your new downpipe bracket. It's just a 90mm downpipe galv bracket to suit 90mm downpipe. And so yep, so then you just basically try and line up the new screw with the old holes, try and get it into the wall plug. And then either with your screwdriver or your drill if you've got one, just screw it back into the existing hole. And do the same thing on the other side. Again, this conduit, but yep, just pull it out to the side. Get your screw, locate the old hole. It's a bit fiddly with that conduit in the way, but you get there eventually. And then do it up with your drill or screwdriver. And then just finally tighten them up all the way back to the wall. Make sure they're good and solid. That's it, perfect. Make sure everything else is back and good. That's it, all done. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you learnt a thing or two and it makes your experience changing some downpipe brackets easier. If you liked the video, please give it a like and we'll see you in the next one.